Here's a look at how the coronavirus is impacting Johnson County, Kansas. As of this morning on Tuesday, May 12th, we have 607 positive cases, 9,436 negatives. 54 of the positive cases have resulted in deaths, including 2 people in their 40s, 3 in their 60s, 8 in their 70s, and 41 in the 80-plus category. To get even more data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org. Now here's Local Health Officer Dr. Joseph LeMaster with more on how we'll know when we're ready to move to Phase 2.
Be that a restaurant or other sort of retail operation that's now opening, people can come into those, but they need to stay in groups less than 10 and should be more than 6 feet apart. There are no restrictions in the governor's order for the capacity of the restaurant or other facility. So, for instance, we're not saying that they need to be at 50% capacity or anything else specified. That's not in the governor's order. Rather, the groups need to be at least 6 feet apart. When we're talking about a group of 10, the intent behind that is 10 people who live together. Obviously, if you have a group of 10 people who go to a restaurant who don't live together and are coming together and have not been together before, they may be at different levels of risk of coronavirus. Some of them might have an asymptomatic infection. We should continue to stay in groups of people that we're living with. When we say a group of 10 people, it means up to 10 people in a facility, meaning 10 people you live with. This is not a time for us to start going out together between different people in different households who haven't been living together and staying together. The virus is still active. The governor's order also mandates that certain types of businesses in this phase will remain closed. That includes bars, nightclubs, and casinos, which we don't have in Johnson County, but also other types of companies that provide personal services, such as nail salons, hair salons, tattoo parlors. They're specified in the governor's order. They will stay closed during Phase 1. They will reopen when we get to Phase 2. It's important to remember that the date at which we move to Phase 2 is mandated by the state. The state will say when we're ready to go to that next phase. That decision is based on monitoring the data with regard to the cases and hospitalizations and deaths that are happening in the state, and we are not making that mandate to happen in Johnson County.
And remember to stay home when you can. For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.